Hi guys, welcome to the card pack opening number 3. Let's see. I ripped the card pack a little bit. So let's see what we got today. Oh, anybody want this code? Link in the description below. Okay. Let's just put these cards back because I don't want to see if I got any X or not. So I don't know how to pronounce this guy. Okay, John. His name is John. Gibble. Cubone. Ooh, I really want. I wanted a Cubone. I mean a Rufflet. I wanted a Rufflet. Yama. I want the evolved form. I had that, but I don't know what happened to it. A reverse hollow Mary. Oh, I love the artwork on it. I'm falling in love with this Mary. A Jump Puff. I don't know if it's rare or not. It probably is. A Audino. Reverse hollow Durant and a special energy. Not the best card pack, but it was pretty good. Where are my other cards? Well, thanks for watching, you guys. To get this code in the bottom, just answer this question. What ability can speed up an egg process? Okay? So you can win this code down in the description. See ya.